I am Naga Sai Kiran. I am from Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I have done it in Madurai, in Kalasalingam University. When I was in my second year, I was interested in stock market and all. So it is mostly based on the data. Then I got to know how data is important to make our decisions, and more precisely, then I got decided to choose my career in the field of data science. Then I find the AlmaBetter with a curriculum which is suited for me and best set to me. Especially, I saw the content in the AlmaBetter. First of all, I go through all the stuff and all, and I choose the live class program. So it is best suited for me because we need to clear our doubts in the class itself, and it is like a risk-free environment is there. And the mainly the pay after pay placement program, it is very nice, and the mentorship, definitely it will be more helpful when compared to the other platforms and all. It's the one-on-one and weekly sessions are conducted for us in the AlmaX placement program. They will definitely boost our confidence and shine our knowledge in tools which we are having and possessing the knowledge. In the live sessions, we can clear our doubts with our mentors, and after that, we have a separate member to resolve our doubts. For each and every class, we have our own assignments and doubt clearance sessions. So we can test our skills practically, and there are industry level projects so that we can stand out with the competition. Coming to the machine learning part, I am a bit nervous, but in the doubt clearance session, I am very comfortable with the mentor and my team. So by mutual understanding and all, they cleared my doubts and we understand well. At that part, I get through those obstacles and all. So I think they helped me a lot.